इन्वेस्ट गोवा 22 हो गोंय चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स आणि राज्यातल्या उद्देगीक उदरगतीक चालना दिवपी राज्य सरकाराचो उपक्रम. हालींच अधिसूचित केल्ल्या गोंय उद्देगीक वाड आणि गुंतवणूक प्रसार धोरण 2022 गुंतवणूकदाराक जावपी प्रक्रियात्मक संकश्टां उणी करतले, उद्देग मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन परिशदे वेळार सांगले. पळयात.
राज्य सरकारा वांगडा जीसीसीआय राज्य कडेन अर्थवेवस्थेक गती दिवपाच्या हेतान राज्यात चड उद्देग आकर्षित करपा खातीर यत्न करता. सरकारान आपल्या ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेस उपक्रमांतल्यान परवानगी अर्ज करपा खातीर आनी प्रक्रिया करपा खातीर सिंगल विंडो चॅनल तयार केला. परवानगी अनुदानाची चड काळ वाट पळोवपाची पडटा अशी कागाळ जायत्या उद्देगांनी केल्या. कांय उद्देगांनी कितलीशीच वर्सां वाट पळयल्या उपरांत या सिंगल विंडो चॅनलाक सुरवात केल्या.
Basically boils down to one thing. It's literally on a declaration that you are getting all the permission. You don't have to wait for months, and sometimes it was almost a year. People are waiting to get permission from different departments. Here is a single window where you are committed all that to be done through one single place. That's the fundamental difference.
This was in fact a game changer in ease of doing business when we said instead of going through all the various NOCs, you come with self-attested, whatever the required documents, and you start an industry, provided it falls within the ambit of the law. So after that, there was a chain reaction, if you know. Pollution Control Board came, followed this. After that, the tourism came, they followed. So these things are, these are the things that people started being a bit alert.
गोंय लॉजिस्टिक हब म्हणून उदेता अशें माविनान सांगले. राज्यात रेल्वे इन्फ्रा, एक बंदर आणि मोपा विमानतळ सुरू जावपाच्या मार्गार आसा. तशेंच 2 विमानतळांकय आदार दितले. माविनान सांगले. आयकात.
Port like Marmunga port, which is a natural harbor. We have the railway lines. In fact, we have South Western Railway as well as you have Konkan Railway now. You are going to have the second airport, which will be a reality perhaps in 45 days, less than 45 days, if I may say so. I have myself visited the airport. I have seen their planning for promoting logistical industry in Goa. At a recent conference where Mr. Prabhu also was present, former Union Minister, they had spelled out their plans. I think all this is going to fructify, and as things which are necessary to combine the synergies of all this, we have come with a very good industrial policy, and that's how as something complementing that, we are going to have this Invest Goa 2022 from today, starting this evening, and I expect this to have a big impact.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान अमर चावरिया.